What is this word in Kurmanji Kurdish? Milk. Sheer. Sheer. And this one? Fried egg. How to say fried egg? It is heka qalandi. Heka qalandi. And this one? Olive. Olive is zaytun. Zaytun. And this one? Boiled egg. It is heka kelandi. Heka kelandi. And this one? Milk cream. Milk cream is to. To. And this one? Honey. Honey is hıngiv. Hıngiv.